The most important theme in the industry right now is speed, right? And speed is defined by increased design throughput of released designs, because design itself, like, it's always been a race against time. And so each new design should improve the performance of the last design. And so the speed at which you can create new releasable designs is really critical. I've been really excited about the work we've been doing with the guys over at Machina, because they are able to take our models and make them faster than ever. And so, like, we're talking about design throughput, they have manufacturing throughput. And so we've integrated some of the Machina constraints around their process so that as you're building a model, as you're maturing a design in nTop, you can understand how manufacturable it is. And when you're ready to make it, like the drone that we're building with these guys right now, push a button in nTop and now get it on their machines and form it. And now you have metal, not 3D printed, not some obscure material, but actual, real, no kidding metal.